access to a wide range of information is readily available on the web through the internet. Information detailing the look and feel, features, functioning, advantages and price of any product can be accessed easily using smart devices at hand. A new product's launch requires promotion to fall in the public's view. Various marketing strategies have emerged and are in place. Video marketing is one such strategy that is developed to create a more significant impact on the audience. The visualization, graphics and speaker can influence the audience more than audio or text. What is video marketing? Marketing any information to meet a particular purpose through short and compelling videos is called video marketing. Businesses aspiring to gain customers' relationship require implementing marketing strategies to grow and establish. Though social media, blogs and articles, email marketing have made their mark in promoting sales and customers, videos are worth investing. The audience is well connected through them. Before knowing how video marketing can be used for businesses to establish themselves as the leader, let us go into the details of leadership marketing and gain some knowledge. Leadership marketing. How is it that the companies or the individuals establish themselves as leaders on web? The answer lies in following thought leadership, which significantly deals with developing and publishing unique content covering a wide range of aspects and producing an in-depth understanding of the subject. It is more about helping the customers find the correct answers for various questionnaire. A common platform where employees can come forward and share their view will help achieve thought leadership. Customers must be influenced to go ahead with the next step with such leadership. Thought leadership supports the customers at all levels of relationship with the company. All doubts concerning the quality of a specific product or service, and whether to purchase it or not will be clarified. It enables customers' smooth relationship with the company. Video marketing importance. Any business can be video marketed to catch public attention. Video marketing backed by thought leadership best serves any field, whether it is food, education or entertainment. Video marketing is sure to increase customers. Especially thought leadership will help support the customers by giving appropriate solutions. Video marketing advice. Define the intent for creating the video and continue generating more videos with the intent as your base, but with different ideas and motivation. Content is the base for any video. Keep generating effective content to build videos. Try building compelling videos with all the old article and the blog posting that you have. Choosing a wide base for distribution that will reach a huge audience. YouTube and the social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram serve the purpose. Adding links within your video will help navigate the users to your webpage. Stories are likely to attract even adults. Identifying your intent with a story creates more awareness and helps you understand things more easily. Businesses trying to flourish are suggested to develop effective thought leadership through video marketing. Marketing becomes more influential by developing a good relationship with customers at the base. Onpassive's OLED helps analyze the ways and the means to meet this. Furthermore, the best possibilities showing the current market trend, sales and growth are made available to choose from. Conclusion. It is a known fact that thought leadership when used in the right form would help the company brand to increase its visibility and recognition in the online marketing, especially through videos, which are quite rampant among the social media platforms. It is understood that video marketing is a great marketing tool that helps in awareness and attraction with the potential customers in the long run. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.